The SmartThings Station is an inexpensive smart home hub that works with Samsung's home automation app named SmartThings. Is it worth the price you pay? It's a wireless charger, and while it's not the best wireless charger ever, it's going to serve most people just fine because you'll leave your phone on it overnight. You can disable the lights in the settings so it just charges your phone while you sleep and it doesn't disturb you otherwise. It also has a button on it. That means you can control smart lighting or other smart products, and you get to decide what to control with that button. There are 3 different functions, so you can press, double press, or long hold on it to do different things. And on top of that, this is a smart home hub that is easy to set up and relatively easy to use. In the world of smart homes, things can get pretty complicated pretty quickly, and this keeps everything fairly simple. It's a Zigbee smart home hub as well as a Matter controller, so that allows you to connect an incredible amount of products. But it does leave out the previous Z-Wave smart home products that were really crucial to a lot of people building their smart homes with SmartThings. But SmartThings as a system for your smart home is pretty good. It's not perfect, and it's definitely not the most reliable smart home hub out there, but it is the best balance in the industry when it comes to ease of building a smart home versus what you can do or how great your home automation can be. The fact that it is a completely wireless device, other than the power cord, makes it a great choice for a lot of people who aren't trying to build the perfect wired smart home. So to me, this is easily worth it with the inclusion of the charger, the button, and the smart home features, but you have to be fine with imperfections in home automation.